So this is a quick update on the lighting project. If it's a bit noisy in the background, it's because everyone's stuck in the house, including the kids and my wife. So we'll make the most of it. Anyway, so I was going to use a 24 volt system. Unfortunately, despite them saying they ran off 24 volts, the lights are evidently only 12 volts, so it blew the bulb. So that kind of screwed that idea. So what I'm using here is the 6-volt feed that comes straight off of the back, and then we're taking it up to a 12-volt step-up converter, and that's running the lights back here. So at the moment I just have 2 running lights on. The wiring's a bit ghetto at the moment, but I didn't want to actually do any real sort of soldering and stuff because I want to get the brake cutoffs up and running for the brake lights, which will be the next part. So I'm still looking at doing it off an independent battery, but for now we'll run it off of the back, and then there'll be some trickery later on using, it's called like a reed switch or something like that, to basically use the button here on the Egg Rider or the NXT when it gets fitted, and that'll get it operating. Anyway, so I'll show you a few pics of the brake lights working and a few pics that I took last night for when I went out for a quick test ride. The display, so I'm going to hold this button down here and then watch this back here. Are you ready? Yeah, look at those, eh? Da, da, da. So that's the lights. I quite like the look of them. They come up with this kind of almost purpley kind of pink glow. It's the combination of the materials, I think, that I'm printing with. But yeah, I'm going to work on the brake side and the indicator side and the various voltages, and I'll update again soon. So stay safe, everybody out there, and keep up the social distancing and stuff, and hopefully I'll see you out on the road real soon. Cheers.